Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to divide 12 by 7 using long division. Let's go through this step by step. First, let's set up our long division problem. We'll write 7 on the left side of the division symbol and 12 underneath it. Now, let's start dividing. First, we look at the leftmost digit of 12, which is 1. We ask ourselves, how many times does 7 go into 1? Since 1 is less than 7, the answer is 0 times. We'll need to look at both digits together. So now we ask, how many times does 7 go into 12? Let's calculate. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. Since 14 is too large, 7 goes into 12 one time with a remainder. Now, we multiply 7 by 1, which gives us 7. We write this 7 under the 12 and subtract. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Since we have a remainder, we need to continue dividing. We'll add a decimal point and a 0. This gives us 5.0. Now we ask, how many times does 7 go into 50? 7 times 7 equals 49, which leaves us with a remainder of 1. Therefore, 12 divided by 7 equals 1.714 continuing. And that's how we divide 12 by 7 using long division. Remember to take it step by step and don't forget to check your work.